and put Alzheimer and dementia, the keyword must include reversible, and it could be reversible, reversing, or whatever. So for that, you can just stop before the word sort of changes and put an asterisk. And look at that, we went from probably millions of keywords that contain that to specifically this. And check this out, can dementia be reversed? How to reverse dementia? These are probably already 2 blogs we could create that are somehow related to that first topic we saw. If you wanted to go further to actually really identify if this is being searched, we will go for the third thing. First thing is Alzheimer dementia, then about reversing, and then what is the most important thing? It will be a finding, a study. So what we can do, I'm guessing probably it's not going to be like that because we are already only 400 keywords in, but we can put all words and also be study, find, let's say. And then let's see if there are keywords that contain all these things together. And you can see there's nothing here. So that specific thing wasn't really an SEO search, but we used it to find something that's closely related to that. The same example could be here. When I was looking at this, I was like, oh, Prozac, interesting. I have no idea what that is. So we can actually use that to find more ideas. So I went to Prozac in that case, and then I added include dementia. And look at this, Prozac and dementia, does Prozac cause dementia? I just found a lot of things here that might be interesting. Not only that, of course, I'm forcing here Prozac and dementia in the same sentence, and there's not that many keywords. But Prozac itself could be something that's relevant to my client, either 100% relevant, meaning Prozac as a language entity is something related to dementia, or maybe Prozac could be a, medicine that helps people that don't have dementia or that they have dementia. Regardless, we can actually also go and just search Prozac. There's 27,000 keywords related to that, and we could just play with this without having to force it to contain dementia, because there could be keywords here that are relevant to my client that helps people that have dementia, but we don't need to force the people to search dementia, because if not, we're making our world a little bit too small and we're missing keywords that could be relevant for us that don't contain dementia.